Hello guys, welcome to our new video. So this is the third video of our 30-day challenge in C, and in today's video we are going to solve a problem on swapping of numbers. So basically this is a very simple program. If you do which is swapping of two numbers, we can use a third variable or the temp variable and then continue with the program. But in this video we are going to see few different techniques in which we can achieve the same uh, output. Okay, so let us begin. I'm quickly writing down the main function, then I'm declaring a variable integer a, b, and initializing the variables. Now we have another variable called temp. So first of all, I'll explain the traditional or the more orthodox method, then I'll jump to the to the process in which you can take help of you can swap two numbers without taking help of another variable. So here is the logic: temp equals to a, then b equals to a equals to b, then b equals to temp. So it's pretty easy, everyone knows it, that's fine. Okay, we can even do this using the reference concept, which is passing the address of that variables. So we're not going there. Here our main motive is to do this program using by not using the third variable. So you can see here %t. Okay, let's print it. So it's working, as you can see. Now I'm not going to do this by this method. I'm quickly going to remove all these things and use the arithmetic operator to do the same thing. Let us see how we can do that. So I'm going to quickly write here the logic, which will be I suppose it will be a equals to a plus b, then b equals to a minus b. I think that's the logic. And then a equals to a minus b. So this is the logic. We're taking the summation of a and b into a, then we are subtracting the b from a, and then we're subtracting the b from a again. So here you can see it's swapped. So now we are going to use another method, which is the multiplication and division method, by which you can do the same thing. So a equals to a multiplied by b, then b equals to, it's pretty much the same thing, so we're doing it over again. So b equals to a divided by b, and then a equals to a divided by b. So you can see it's working. So we don't have any problems here. But now we are going to use a different approach to it. Now if the question says that you cannot use even an what do you say, like you cannot use the arithmetic operators, then we have to rely on something special. So we are using the XOR operator or the bitwise operator. So a XOR b. So you can see the a value of a is changing. So if you are if you have any confusion regarding the bitwise operator, I'm quickly going to upload a video regarding all the bitwise operators in C, so do check it out. So till then, just focus on here. So a equals to a, I think there is a problem here. Is there a problem here? Right, a no, it will work for sure. Yes, so here you can see we have done it. So okay guys, that's it for now. So take care, see you in my next video. Bye.